Syntex, world leader in roto molding. Since 40 years, Syntex Industries has been exceeding customers' expectations through professional experience in varied plastic processing applications and is a one-stop destination for product design, prototyping, tooling and full-scale manufacturing needs in plastics. Syntex is among the few integrated plastic processing companies in the world to offer 15 different manufacturing processes and post-molding capabilities. An application that is offered by Syntex, apart from other molding processes, is roto molding or rotational molding. Syntex, world leader in roto molding. Today, Syntex is spread across 700,000 square meters with 4,000 strong workforce, with 32 manufacturing locations across the globe, including group companies, 1,000 distributors and 50,000 retail outlets. Syntex is the market leader in rotational molding products with a 50% market share in India. Now world-renowned Syntex water tank is one of the finest gems of roto molding process plastics industry has ever produced. The year was 1979. Success of this tank over the years saw adoption by government in large projects and tremendous acceptance by retail customers. With the success of water tank, widespread distribution network across the country was set up. Manufacturing facilities were established at several places in the country to cater to market needs. Next step was the standardization of product and development of IS in rotational molding. Let us take a look at the wide benefits that roto molding offers. Advantages of roto molding. Rotational molding offers distinct design advantages over other molding processes. For one, fabrication costs can be brought down considerably because parts assembled from several pieces can be molded as one part. Costs are less as the amount of material wasted in production is minimal. No sprues or runners, as happens in injection molding. No offcuts, as happens in thermoforming. Or pinch-off scrap, happens in blow molding agar. Whatever ensues as waste can usually be recycled. Roto molding process ensures consistent wall thickness and strong outside corners that are virtually stress-free. For additional strength, reinforcing ribs can be designed into the part or added to the mold. Since the molds require less tooling, they can be manufactured and put into production faster than other molding processes. Moreover, molds can be swapped quickly or different colors can be used without purging the mold. With other processes, purging may be required to swap colors. To sum up, the advantages of using roto molding as a feasible alternative, especially to blow molding, are: offers better strength, weather-resistant products, variety of plastic styles and colors, flexibility during alteration of a mold, faster manufacturing times. Let us now take a quick look at the entire roto molding process. The raw material, polyethylene, is accorded quality approval and the powdered resin is then dispatched for the pre-molding process. The resin is filled into a hollow mold. The next process is extrusion. Here, granule mixing as per color requirement is done, where the master batch is added. Pulverization is the next process in which the granules are pulverized to the right consistency. Dry blending is carried out here. The material is then sent to the roto molding department, where there are two machines, rock and roll machine and biaxial Reinhardt machine. PUR puffing. Appropriate PUR puffing is then done as per requirement. After the melting has been done to the desired level, when it has cooled sufficiently to be handled and the polymer can retain its shape, the mold is opened and the product is removed. The part is then sent for finishing, where the scrap that ensues is cut out with the grinding machine. The scrap is then sent back to the pre-molding section for recycled use. The finished product is fitted with requisite accessories. It is then sent for online quality checking, where if it is approved, is packed as per requirement and dispatched to the warehouse. Apart from water tanks, Sintex is producing plethora of products using rotational molding process such as loft tank, chemical insulated box, pallets, waste bins and containers, activity toys and recreation items, custom molding and automotive parts. Above all, custom molding has endless possibilities as far as roto molding is concerned. However, in India, market for roto molding is still untapped. Higher GDP growth, rapid industrialization, decline in population below poverty line, huge investment in infrastructure and housing will be the growth drivers in India, because of which per capita GDP of India will go beyond $1,050. It will remain fastest growing economy in the world for a long time. Fourth largest in terms of purchasing power parity, PPP, by 2020. Indians will buy 5 times more cars and consume 3 times more crude oil. All these suggest huge markets to be opened for roto molding products, and Sintex, with its world leader position in the segment, will benefit the most. Every product manufactured by Sintex through the rotational molding process reflects the high standards of quality control maintained across all products and benchmarks of excellent performance. Sintex, world leader in rotational molding.